is VMS Integration. A firm can streamline its VMS business through its applicant tracking system and through a VMS integration. VMS integration or VMS automation is used by company to manage their VMS data automatically rather than manually. Firms can automatically load jobs in the ATS using VMS automation. When an order enters an ATS, the right recruiters are notified to begin working on it immediately. After that, the candidate data is automatically sent back to the VMS. Status updates are seamlessly synchronized between the VMS and the ATS, allowing complete visibility into candidate submissions.